Hi guys, it's Disney Dog Girl with another fidget unboxing. These are called the Hinge toys, and they're from Incredible Interconnectable Toys. So all you gotta do with these is just click them together. Like this. And you can end up making, I'm gonna make a square with these. And I like how simple these are. And see, all you have to do is make a little bit of a box like this, and all they are these small little pieces. Now we have triangles down here. And there's triangle pieces too. But these are pretty basic, but they're really fun. They're from Incredible Interconnectable Toys. Thank you guys for donating. Hopefully we'll be able to do business with each other soon. See, they're just really fun. They're just fun. Thank you, Disney Dog Girl.